Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the workbook lives on OneDrive or SharePoint. That's the only place Excel keeps online version history. Once done, open the file in Excel Desktop or Excel for Web with the same Microsoft account. Make sure you have edit or owner permissions. Without them, you won't see previous versions. If Excel prompts to open the cloud copy, accept it. This ensures you're viewing the server-hosted file where history is stored rather than a local duplicate. Now, go to File, choose Info, and click Version History. In Excel for Web, use the File Name menu and select Version History. You'll see timestamps and author names. Click a version to preview it. Once a version appears, compare it with the current file to understand what changed, and use the Open or Restore options to examine it in a new window without overwriting. If you need a copy, download that version so you can preserve it separately before restoring. When you're ready, click Restore on the chosen version. This replaces the current cloud copy while keeping the restored file as the latest version. After restoring, verify critical formulas, external links, and macros since some changes could affect calculations. If the version you need isn't listed, check the SharePoint or OneDrive recycle bin, confirm retention settings, or contact your administrator to recover older snapshots. If Restore fails, download the previewed file.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.